In this video, we'll guide you through how to fix a PC or laptop that won't shut down after clicking shutdown in Windows. If you find this helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. This issue can be really frustrating and impractical, so let's jump straight into how you can fix it. First, go to the bottom of your screen and click on the Start menu. Type Run and open it. In the Run window, type powercg.cpl and click OK. This will open the control panel directly in the Power Options section. Now on the left-hand side, click on Choose what the power buttons do. At the top of the next screen, click on Change settings that are currently unavailable. This will allow you to modify the shutdown settings. Scroll down to the Shutdown Settings section and uncheck Turn on Fast Startup. Once that's done, click Save Changes. You can now close this window and try shutting down your computer again to see if the issue is resolved. If your PC still doesn't shut down, restart your computer first. After it restarts, try clicking Shut Down again. In most cases, this will fix the problem. That's it for this video. If you found this guide useful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more Windows troubleshooting tutorials.